Asset Manager. Asset Manager allows you to create three functions. First, manage email. Second, web layer. And three, HTML block templates that form your automated campaigns. Everything you do within these three types is stored in Asset Manager where you can work within. So let's go over them. Emails and web layers are quite similar in a way that every single template you have will be stored in Asset Manager. So when you create a new template, you can also do it within the Asset Manager in data analysis here. But at the same time, whenever you go to a new email campaign and you create, let's say, a visual builder, by pressing these three dots, you can save your new template when you want to, let's say, come back to it or use it in a different project or move it to a different account or even save it as an HTML to your computer. This is a way how to do it, and it's stored through your Asset Manager. So if we save that template, it would appear right here. Similar way works with web layers. However, here you don't have your visual builder, but you will simply work with a blank template, which you can then see here. There are a few project templates offered by Exponia in advance. The third way is slightly different. It's called blocks. Blocks are simple HTML places or code or a simple block where you can write anything you want in a code and then work with it. The reason why it's so effective is because you can save this block and then insert it into any campaign or even experiment or anything else. So for instance, if we go to an email campaign, create a new one with a visual builder, we can then adjust the content by going to a dynamic content, drag it here, and then when you see the empty block right there, I'm able to configure the block from my Asset Manager, which will be inserted in this exact place. So this is a way for me to transfer my information, my knowledge through these complexes. At the same time, you can do something different. You can also, let's say, have already a pre-existing HTML text in your campaign or in your, let's say, web page, and then save that HTML code and put it into your Asset Manager through a block function, and then store it right there, and then use it in a different campaign because you already know that that one was working. There are a lot of different ways how to use Asset Manager for your Exponia project. We really recommend going to Exponia Academy and looking into Exponia emailing services or Advanced Academy, which will teach you more about all of these functions within blocks and email campaigns. So for now, this is Asset Manager.